In the early 19th century, a young girl stumbled upon a 17-foot-long skeleton that would change the course of history. This was no ordinary find, for it was the first complete ichthyosaur fossil ever discovered. Let's look closer at science history discoveries. The year was 1811, and the girl's name was Mary Anning. Her discovery sparked a wave of interest in fossil hunting, and soon, she was uncovering some of the most iconic prehistoric creatures the world had ever seen. But who was Mary Anning, and how did she become one of the most important fossil hunters of her time? To understand Mary's story, we need to go back to the early 19th century, when the field of paleontology was still in its infancy. The concept of extinction was still a topic of debate, and many scientists believed that the Earth was only a few thousand years old. It was against this backdrop that Mary Anning began her journey as a fossil hunter. Born in 1799, in the town of Lyme Regis, Mary grew up in a family of fossil collectors. Her father, Richard Anning, was a cabinetmaker and an amateur fossil hunter, who would often take Mary and her brother Joseph on fossil hunting expeditions. These early experiences sparked Mary's passion for fossils, and she quickly developed a keen eye for spotting them. As Mary's skills improved, she began to make a name for herself in the fossil hunting community. She would often sell her finds to wealthy collectors, who would pay handsome sums for these prehistoric treasures. But Mary's most significant discovery was yet to come. In 1823, she uncovered a nearly complete plesiosaur skeleton, which was unlike anything seen before. The find caused a sensation in the scientific community, and soon, Mary was in high demand. Scientists and collectors from all over the world were clamoring to get their hands on her fossils. Despite her success, Mary's life was not without its challenges. She faced financial struggles, and her work was often undervalued by the male-dominated scientific community. However, she persevered, and her dedication to fossil hunting paid off. Over the course of her career, Mary discovered numerous iconic prehistoric creatures, including the first pterosaur fossil found outside of Germany. Her contributions to the field of paleontology were immense, and she paved the way for future generations of fossil hunters. But Mary's story is not just about her discoveries, it's also about her passion for learning and her determination to succeed in a field dominated by men. She was a true pioneer, and her legacy extends far beyond her discoveries. Today, Mary Anning is recognized as one of the most important fossil hunters in history. Her legacy continues to inspire us to uncover the secrets of the ancient world. The story of Mary Anning is a testament to the power of curiosity and determination in the pursuit of scientific knowledge. Her discoveries may have been made over a century ago, but their impact is still felt today. As we continue to explore the natural world, we owe a debt of gratitude to Mary Anning, the unsung heroine of fossil hunting. But what made Mary's discoveries so significant? To understand the importance of her finds, we need to look at the context in which they were made. During the early 19th century, the field of paleontology was still in its early stages. Many scientists believed that the Earth was only a few thousand years old, and the concept of extinction was still a topic of debate. Mary's discoveries helped to challenge these ideas and paved the way for a greater understanding of the Earth's history. Her finds also helped to shed light on the diversity of prehistoric life, and her discoveries of iconic creatures like the ichthyosaur and plesiosaur helped to captivate the imagination of the public. But Mary's story is not just about her discoveries, it's also about the challenges she faced and the obstacles she overcame. As a woman in a male-dominated field, Mary faced significant barriers to her success. She was often undervalued and overlooked by the scientific community, and she struggled to make a living from her work. Despite these challenges, Mary persevered, and her dedication to fossil hunting paid off. Her legacy is a testament to the power of determination and hard work, and it continues to inspire us today. As we look back on Mary's remarkable story, we are reminded of the importance of preserving the fossil record and the significance of her discoveries. The fossil record is a window into the past, and it provides us with a unique glimpse into the history of life on Earth. Mary's discoveries helped to shed light on this history, and her legacy continues to inspire us to uncover the secrets of the ancient world. But Mary's story is not just about the past, it's also about the present and the future. Her discoveries continue to inspire new generations of scientists and fossil hunters, and her legacy extends far beyond the field of paleontology. She is a reminder that science is a journey of discovery, and that the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong endeavor. As we continue to explore the natural world, we owe a debt of gratitude to Mary Anning, the unsung heroine of fossil hunting. Her story is a testament to the power of curiosity and determination, and it continues to inspire us to uncover the secrets of the ancient world. The forgotten story of Mary Anning is a reminder that even the most unlikely person can make a significant contribution to our understanding of the world. Her legacy is a testament to the importance of perseverance and dedication, and it continues to inspire us today. As we look to the future, we can learn from Mary's example and strive to make our own contributions to the world of science. The story of Mary Anning is a powerful reminder that science is a journey of discovery, and that the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong endeavor. It is a story that continues to inspire us today, and it is a testament to the power of curiosity and determination in the pursuit of scientific knowledge.